good afternoon, good evening. Today, I welcome you all leaders for today's Zoom session. This Zoom session is totally based for Innova Trust, which is the best opportunity of 2025 and 2026. So, we'll see about the platform. Today, I'm here to provide you a platform and opportunity which where you can make your finances, where you can build your finances. So, this Innova Trust is totally based on crypto. So with this crypto world, with this crypto idea, you can generate good money and you will get good profits here. Here comes the mind behind the mission, the founder and CEO of the company, that is Louis Andre. Louis Andre, he's a great leader. He's a great financial advisor who has experience of more than 20 years in financial market. He worked with different companies and he's having very good experience in the financial market. The same experience he's utilizing here to make profit for all the community, all the Innova Trust family. Now, what Innova Trust does? What is the main generation of Innova Trust? How they are generating profits for the company? So here there are basically six phases through which they are taking through all your investment is going through all these six phases. So we'll go one by one. First of all, Innova Trust gives us opportunity to invest our funds to uh, buy any investment plan in the company. When we purchase any plan in the company, and they get your funds, after that they do proper market research, market analysis. They wait for the time when they can invest your fund, when they can grow your funds. Then after market research and market analysis, they do proper risk management. They apply strong risk management on your funds to define they define risk limits, capital protection and security strategies. After that, after waiting for the exact moment, particular moment, they pick all the good currencies which can grow in future very fastly, which can grow, which can give good results as soon as possible. Then after that, again they wait for the time where they can sell these currencies to make good profits. So after selling these currencies again, they generate very good profits for you, and this process they do again and again, again and again, to make your profits greater and greater, to provide you good profits. Then if we talk what is the minimum package of the Innova Trust, what is the minimum investment plan, what is maximum plan of Innova Trust, and how we are getting profits, how many days, everything is mentioned here in this slide. So guys, this is very important slide in this presentation, as the plans are starting from $20 and the highest investment you can do in Innova Trust is $100,000. So from $20 to $100,000, any figure you can choose, whatever you are seeing here, displaying here on the screen. So after choosing that investment plan, you can make contract with Innova Trust for 30 days. So on any plan, what you are choosing on your investment, company will give you 3.33 percentage profit on your investment every day. And these profits company will provide you for 5 days a week. It means on all working days you will get this profit. And if continuously you are getting profits 3.33 percentage every day, at in this case in 30 working days you will get 100% profit back. And after 30 days, on 31st day, company will allow you to take back your capital as well. So at that time, at 31st day, you will have option to get your investment or your capital or your principal back. But at that time you will get two options. If you want to withdraw your investment, you can withdraw it, or you can continue it, or you can buy a package of same value again, and you can reinvest it and you can continue for more for more 30 days. So in this way guys, here totally in 30 working days you will make 2x of your investment plan. You will make 2x of your total principal. Here company has given you a simple calculation, that how calculations work, how you will get your amount back. So we'll take an example of $1,000. if you are investing $1,000 in the company, you will get 33.33 percentage every day. It means you will get $33.30 every day for 5 days a week. So after 30 days, you will get $1,000 as a profit on your thousands investment, and on 31st day you will get your 1,000 cash back. Your 1,000 principal is back. It means totally you made $2,000 from $1,000. So in this way, whatever amount you are choosing, you will get 2x of that amount in 30 working days. Now guys, here this is not only limited to making profits on your investment, but also company gives us opportunity to make income from referrals. Here, because definitely when you will be part of Innova Trust, you will like this program more than anything else. So you will definitely refer your friends, families, neighbors, colleagues this program. So whenever you are referring this program in your community, at that time company will deposit you referral bonus in your account instantly, immediately. So here this bonus works on levels. So from first level you will get 10 percentage as a referral bonus. Then when the people on your first level, they will also refer to their friends in their community. At that time those all people will come on your second level, and you will get 5 percentage referral bonus from your second level. It means whoever will invest whatever amount, its 5 percentage directly will come to you. Then from third percentage you will get 2 percentage of the investment amount, and from 4th to 10th level onwards you will get 1 percentage from each level. So in this way guys, with the profits you can make referral bonuses also, and you can grow in your life. You can grow your capital more than your investment by referring others, by building team, by making your network. Now comes FAQ, frequently asked questions. When you are investing your money, when you are investing your funds in the company, at that time definitely you will have so many questions, that how a withdrawals comes, what is the withdrawal fees, what is withdrawal timing and all. So company made everything clear here in this slide. So question number one, we'll go question wise. What is the return offered by the plan? So just now we have discussed that in 30 business days company will return us 100 percentage profits, and on 31st day we will get our capital also back. It means we'll get 200 percentage. Then question number two, when can I withdraw my earnings? Yes, this is very important questions. When we invest in the company, then we will always worried about our withdrawal. So here company has given us option to withdraw from Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. This is the standard time for withdrawals. And guys, the best thing in Innova Trust is that withdrawals are very, very instant, immediately, instantly. As whenever you are making placing withdrawal request, within a minute, within a 60 seconds you will get your withdrawals in your wallet. This is very, very best strong thing in Innova Trust. Then question number three here, how do referral withdrawals works? Yeah, this Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. you can withdraw your earnings, you can withdraw your profits, but your referral earnings you can withdraw anytime, 24 by 7, day, night. There is no time limit, it is open forever. So you can withdraw anytime, and as your profits, referrals also you will get instantly, very quickly. What is the minimum withdrawal amount? Yes, minimum withdrawal amount is only $5. Whenever there will be $5 in your account, you can put instant withdrawal. You can take your money from your wallet. So only $5, guys, only $5. No company gives this option to withdraw $5. Minimum requirement for other companies is like for $50, $30 or more than that. But here only $5 you can withdraw. What are the prices of available plans? Starting from $20 to 100,000, you can withdraw any amount. You can deposit any amount, whatever suits your goals, whatever suits your vision. Is there a reinvestment option? Yes, there is reinvestment option for both, for the profits and for the principal. profits you can reinvest on daily basis. Every day whenever you are getting profits in your wallet, you can reinvest it if you wish, and if you wish to withdraw it, you can withdraw it. There is no any bounding, no any compulsion. It is totally your choice, your wish, how you want to grow your finances. It is totally based on that. And also you have option to reinvest your capital at the end of month. At the end of month you will get option to reinvest or withdraw. So depending on your choice here, you can reinvest or withdraw it. Can I withdraw my deposit balance as a leader? See, whenever we are depositing any amount in the company, at that time we are doing contract with the company for 30 days. But when you will be a pro leader, at that time company will give you special opportunity, this special chance that if you want to withdraw your deposit, you can withdraw it, but with the deduction of few fees or few charges, and that is totally based on the package value. What package it is, how many days it is, then when you are withdrawing it, totally it's depend on that. How do referral level works? So referral level works like from level 1 you will get 10 percentage of the investment amount, from level 2 you will get 5 percentage of the total investment amount, from level 3 you will get 2 percentage, and from level 4 to 10 onwards you will get 1 percentage each from all the levels, 4 to 10, all the levels. So guys, this is about the presentation and the plan, presentation, withdrawal, deposit, all these things are very simple, very smooth. It is nothing critical in these. It's very easy to understand. It is very small, simple PDF, but the plan is really money making plan. So now if you have any doubts, any questions, we'll discuss at the end of the presentation. But now we have one more PDF here which explains the career plan, because company is not only focusing on the profits or on the referrals, but also company is focusing on your career, because company wants to be longer in the market. They wants to be with us for a longer time. So they have vision to focus on our careers also. For that they have made one more presentation. We'll go through that presentation now. So hopefully you can see the screen. So guys, here you can see company has career plan for all the individuals, all the Innova Trust family. So how this plan works, let's see. Here, whenever you are referring other people, there is no limit. You can refer n number of people, but there should be two legs very strong that you can achieve your levels, you can achieve your ranks based on only two legs. Among 100,000 people, you need only two legs, very strong at all the times to achieve the levels. So the condition to achieve first level is you need to bring business of $50,000 on each leg. On each leg, when there will be $50,000 business on your two legs, at that time you will achieve level 1, and on the achievement of level 1 rank, company will reward you with $750 immediately, instantly in your wallet. No need to ask any leaders, any company, any support team for your dollars. Automatically you will get $750 in your wallet. Then comes level 2. When your business volume increases, grows to 30,000. Before it was $15,000, but when it will reach to $30,000, at that time you will achieve level 2 here, and on level 2 achievement, company will reward you with $1,500. And guys, best thing here is that previously you were having $15,000, so now you need to bring only 15,000 more business to achieve this rank. Generally companies, they do business volume 0 for the next rank, but here whatever the previous business volume, that will be calculated in achieving the next level. So this way level 2, you can achieve level 2 by making business of $30,000 on both the legs. Then here comes level 3, which is very important, which is the turning point in all the networkers, all the leaders life, because here in level 3 you need business volume of only $50,000 on both the legs. After after making $50,000 business, you will achieve level 3 rank and you will get $2,500 on your achievement. Not only this, but you will get global share of 1%. Global share of 1%. It means all your levels beyond 10 will be unlocked. Previously, if you remember, if you memorize the presentation, we will get referral bonus from 1 to 10 levels only. But after achieving level 3 ranks, your 11th onwards, all the unlimited levels will be unlocked, and you will get 1% from all the levels, or wherever on your 50th, 100, any level. If someone is investing any amount, that amounts 1% you will get. And definitely when you will achieve level 2 rank, after that your team will grow like anything, and you will get bonus from all your team. So this is very important rank, very important level in the Innova Trust and in your career. Here comes level 4. So on business volume of $100,000 on each leg, you will achieve this level 4 rank, and on this achievement, company will reward you with $5,000. Yes, guys, $5,000 immediately, that you will get in your wallet and you can withdraw instantly. With that, your global share will increase by 0.5 percentage, means on achieving level 3, you will be taking 1% from the global share. But now level 4, after achievement of level 4, you will be eligible to get 1.5 percentage from all the levels, 10th onwards, all the levels till unlimited levels. Then comes here highest rank in the company, that is level 5 rank. These rank achievers, they are called as the toppers of the company. They are the very top leaders of the company. And the business volume or the condition to achieve this rank is only $200,000 on both the legs. And with this volume, you will achieve level 5. You will be the top ranker, top leader of Innova Trust, and on this achievement, company will reward you with $10,000, which we can withdraw anytime. And at the same time, global share will increase by 0.5 percentage again, and you will get 2 percentage as a global share. Means from all your team, from anywhere, whoever will be doing investment here, you will be getting 2 percentage from their investment. So guys, hopefully you understand the presentation, because it's very simple, very easy to understand, and all the terms are very clear. There is no any strict rules, conditions, no any hard and fast rule here. All the things are very smooth, very smooth. But still, if anyone has any doubt, then they can raise your hand and we can discuss on that to clarify their queries.